Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show how to add text to objects in Roblox Studio. Let's start by adding an object and shaping it like a billboard. Alright, now we can work with it. Add an insert object and give it a name. Here's the surface GUI. Click Insert Object. We need the label text here. Let's add it. Now we have the text. You can adjust it with the key or fine-tune it in the editor. That's quite a bit, right? The text itself is right here. Let's type welcome and set the text size like this. We can make it bold. You can choose your preferred font here. You can also change the text position if you want. There. You can play around with other settings too. That's all for now. This was your host. Like and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all a great life. Good luck everyone. See you later.